how to make an OnlyFans account on mobile. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for OnlyFans just using your phone. So first of all, open up any browser on your smartphone. And note, the process of creating a OnlyFans account will be pretty much same on Android or iPhone. Now once you open a browser on your smartphone, go to search bar and search OnlyFans. And at the top search result, official website of OnlyFans will appear. So here you have to visit to onlyfans.com. Now you will be landed in the sign in page, but as you want to create an OnlyFans account, here click on sign up for OnlyFans. And here at first enter your name, and then under it enter your email address, and lastly create a strong password. Once you created a strong password, now here click on sign up. And you will be brought into OnlyFans homepage. And here before you start using OnlyFans, first you need to verify your email address. So here you will see this message or notification to verify your email address. So here click on verify email. And in this page, click on send confirmation. Now you need to check your email inbox. So check your email inbox. And here you can see this is the mail I got from OnlyFans to verify my account. So once you got this mail, in this page to confirm your email, you can either click on here or also you can copy this link and paste on your browser. Here to confirm my email, I'm gonna click on here and let me select the default browser and let's click on open. And that's how your email address will be verified. Now here let's go to home page. And there it is. Now you can start using OnlyFans on mobile. And that's pretty much it is. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to set up your plenty of fish profile on mobile, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.